Hey guys, and happy Sunday. I am Food by Faith Garden to Table, and welcome. If you are new here, I am Shaka Faith Thompson. I am your Zone 8A Georgia gardener, and I love to take you from the garden to the table. I want to welcome any newcomers and let you know that on my channel you will see so many different things. I am on a new journey in my life. I'm at a different place in my life where all of my children are now adults, so me and my husband are able to travel. So we do a lot of that, and on our different journeys we go look at seeds, we go to different nurseries, I go to different coffee shops. So not only will you see what I'm growing here, I will show you so many different things as we travel along. So stick with me, hang out, and let's have a good time. Today, what we are going to be talking about is planting. What I will be planting for the month of August. So I have 2 Aerogardens and 1 let pot system. In my Aerogardens, instead of using my seed starting tray, I'm actually just going to be using the planter trays. So 6 in this one, 6 in the other one, and then in my let pot system, this one has quite a few sections. So I am going to be planting lots and lots of seeds. And this is a way for me, the best way I've learned for me to begin to start seeds. So I have tried all summer long to start seeds in a seed tray, and they were getting burnt up, even down to the sunflower seeds. Before, as soon as they came out of the soil, they were getting burnt. So I had to do something different, and I know that this method is tried and true and it works for me. So I'm waiting on more sponges to come into the mail, but I have enough pretty much to at least start my 2 Aerogardens. So I may be able to start those today and start my let pot system tomorrow, because those sponges should be coming in the mail either today or in the morning. But the seeds that we are going to start, I'm going to drop these again. This is your spinach strawberry. It's an old-fashioned plant that dates back to the 1600s in Europe, produces greens used like spinach, also yields attractive red berries that are nice in fruit salads. This one is frost hardy, and the ideal temp is 45 to 75 degrees, and it sprouts in 7 to 14 days. So what I'm going to do is, my systems are going to be on my back porch. I'm not going to take them in the house. That way I do not have to acclimate the plants to the outdoors. They will already be outdoors. I'm going to start Oktoberfest calendula, pink surprise calendula, orange Hawaii marigold. So this, the California King, the Orange King, calendula. All of these are marigolds, are a form of calendula. And remember, if you were able to watch my other video about toxic or non-toxic, it lets you know which forms of these are toxic. So all the flowers and the plants that I am going to be dropping seeds for today are non-toxic, and it's simply because I want to put them in my food garden. If I grow a different type of marigold, I do have one that I can show you, and this marigold is actually a toxic one. What I won't do is put it in my food garden. Where I will put it is just with my flowers. It'll be in a border area or something like that, but not where I am going to have food. So anytime I do something like that, guys, I'm always mindful, because I do not like to mix up. So So I think I left it inside. I do not like to mix my flowers up into my garden. I like to keep anything that's edible in the garden area and anything that's not edible outside of the garden area. So another flower we're going to drop is the safflower. Okay, a safflower is a widely adapted variety from the village of Corrales, New Mexico. The flowers can be used as a coloring spice, dried to brew tea, and also can make a dye with a deep orange, almost red pigment. Deep tap roots are a very efficient soil breaker. It is not frost hardy. But for us, we don't get a frost until November. It is becoming the end of July, so I have August, September, and October to enjoy these flowers. And then we have our sweet mace or Mexican mint marigold, and it's a tender perennial. It's not frost hardy. It is late blooming, great in teas and other drinks, and for flavoring many dishes. It's a Hispanic heirloom. Another plant that we're going to be dropping today is going to be the amaranth. But this one is the Chinese multicolor spinach, and I'm literally dropping this because I think it's gorgeous. I'm going to use it in flower bouquets. I am also going, this is the marigold that I was telling you about. So this marigold is the one that's toxic, and so I will not plant it where my other marigolds will be planted. It will be used in the borders and different things like that. So guys, we are going to get our seeds planted, get everything started in the Aerogardens, and I will bring you along on this journey with me so you can see everything from start to finish. But as always, guys, remember to get up, get out, and grow something. Despite the season that you may have had, and I've had a rough season. So many things have been destroyed by Japanese beetles, so many things by ants, things have been burned up. I have restarted plants, but I'm not discouraged because I know that I can do great things in the garden. I'm watching Growing Out the Box right now, staying encouraged as he talks about his huge elephant garlic harvest. I did not have a huge garlic harvest this year, but I'm already planning for what I'm going to do the next season. I'm already pre-ordering, knowing that instead of buying garlic from the store, I'm going to buy seed garlic. So we just learn from our mistakes. We make sure that we do not make gardening expensive. But if you look at my community post that I placed up this morning, and I'm going to place it here in this video, there are so many recalls right now. Guys, it is becoming a point where we have no other choice but to grow our own food. That way we can have faith in the food that we're growing. So guys, just remember, and I'll repeat myself again, get up, get out, and grow something, and have faith in our food. And I'll see you the next time.